Good morning, guys. Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Tamasomi. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that notification button so that you don't miss out. We don't want to leave anyone here. Yeah, so yeah, if you're my returning subby, welcome back, Tanda, sweetie lovey. Yeah, guys, welcome to my new vlog. Today I'll be just doing a spend a day with me. As you guys can see from the title of this video, we'll be just spending the day with me, guys. You guys will be spending the day with me. In Northwest, we are going to the farm. My brother is going to be there, and then two of my family friends. So yeah, so we see past okay, guys. I just woke up, so I'm still defrosting. But yeah, guys, we are just going to the farm. Just gonna chill there for today. Today's Sunday. What's the date? I think today's the 11th of January. Yeah, if not the 10th, I'll check. So yeah, guys, we are going there. We are going to the farm. It's in Northwest. We're just going to be chilling, drinking, having fun, nothing much. And then we'll come back tomorrow on Monday. And yeah, things will be back to reality for real this time. Because I mean, everyone is coming back tomorrow. Abantu ngoku lives yaphela ngoku. Back to work, back to school. Yeah, so yeah, guys, right now I think I'm gonna make make a detoxing tea. I'm gonna make my detoxing tea and then have it with green tea. I like mixing it together. I like mixing the tea bags together. So I'm just gonna mix them and then I'm gonna have that now. And yeah, after that I'm gonna take a bath, just start getting ready because we are already late, child. We are already late. We're supposed to be on our way to Northwest now, but we are only waking up now. And I also just checked with my friends now, so yeah, guys, let me start my day and start getting ready. My lips are so dry, and my lip tint, I still have my lip tint from yesterday. So yeah, and also, guys, I did these lashes. These are cluster lashes. I did them on my own. It was my first time doing a cluster lashes on my own, and child, my lash tag, yeah, but I don't think you'll be hearing from me this year, baby. Like, I don't think you'll be hearing from me this year, like, for real. Even I want to like learn how to do my nails as well. I want to buy everything, like you know, isn't it this thing, your gels, your top coat, and the light lamp. Like, I want to buy all of those things, so then when they and start growing my natural nails, like save money needs. I can already install myself. Now I can do my lashes. So I don't do nails. I can do it. I can do everything. Yeah, well, there's my little babes. That's my maintenance. Can't enjoy it. Because I mean, it's not their sensei, So yeah, guys, let me start getting ready and stop yapping. Guys, it turns out that my green tea is finished and my detoxing tea is also finished. What wahala be this now? What wahala be this? Like, I don't have anything, guys. Like, I have to go stock up my tea, my green tea, my detoxing tea, you know. So here is tea, my cranberry tea. Like, I have to go stock up, like, for real, for real. When I come back tomorrow, I think I'm gonna go buy them. So yeah, let me just have hot water. I'm just gonna have hot water, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Let me drink my water and then start getting ready. Bye. Hi guys. We are now on our way to Midrand to go meet up with our friends, and then the mother is a stand up by Midrand. So yeah, I'm with my brother. That's also my brother, guys. So yeah. Now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. Okay guys, we are now in this camp just to buy lip therapy. I forgot my lip therapy. Hi, bo. Oh, nice. Bubblegum. Yeah, you can also get bubblegum. Let me take 2 or even 3 because I don't know if I see. She doesn't need. Wait. Let me also get this for my little sister. Let me get another one. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shayo. Comfortable with gin. Comfortable with gin. Did you learn that? That's all I have on the menu. Hey, that's a young game. Okay. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look pretty, girl. It comes, Makutesh, you're 22. 2 at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult. Hey guys! First stop. Okay guys, so manje we just stopped at a garage just to dash for Indlela. We're having Hennessy. Hey, VSOP, not the normal one, guys. Not the normal one. Oh, our skin bitch. I'm telling you. Our parents cooked. Our parents genuinely cooked. They ate like. Oh, but guys, I think we should add this seasoning is. Okay, let me add my.
I try to buy moto, want Toyota Corolla. My feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Feelings been this swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Lucky Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today.
OOTD, 2 piece from Cotton On, baby.
Oh, 2 piece from Cotton On.
Yeah. I'm just trying to do my errands.
Yes.
And then when I turn it on OOTD.
Top is from, I forgot guys, I forgot. She's from Factory.
I like this.
Yes. Oh, the cycle from my friend.
Oh wow.
And then, yes, and then she's from Nike.
Summit guys, it's in a 2 hours drive, so
it's gonna be a long drive.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. We at our second stop now. Exactly. So we just came here to buy my ice, to buy ice and a refill.
Exactly.
Yeah, vape.
Exactly.
Because it's a vapist. Asizenzi guys, asizenzi. Sisimo yayibo.
Situation.
Ewe. Naba bange. Say hi to the vlog, ladies. Hi vlog. Yeah. So speaking of guys, we're like now 15 minutes away, so speaking oh man. We had to get some ice and a vape, guys, ne? Lighting. Guys, that's a 23 la, no? I don't really.
I've been to move all
Oh. Ini di mana? Oh. Uyocama ne? Alu please. Don't do alu. Tell me you want to. You have to get 3 of those. I don't know. Do you guys want ice cream? Yeah, guys, this is my favorite.
I need to show you this. Oh, you're vlogging.
But they are singing. This is my favorite. I mean,
Oh, she likes this one.
yeah. 2 of this, ne?
Now it says
Good, how are you? Oh, it's so nice. I go. It's so nice. We're just chilling. Nothing hectic, man. Don't vibe. It's nice. It's nice. Yes.
She was blushing her ass off.
But anyways, I'm just here to introduce my friends to you guys because I feel like I didn't introduce them the whole day. And yeah, I'm with my girls here. Guys, let's introduce.
Hi guys, I'm Nolu.
Okay.
I'm Nolu's handle, and yeah guys, but it's not that bad.
Instagram and TikTok.
Nolu.vilakazi, and on TikTok, Instagram Nolu.vilakazi, and TikTok Nolutando.v.
Okay, baby. I love you.
Hi guys. I'm Tato .nmv, and please say the NMV.
I won.
Please say the NMV.
I won.
Exactly. Oh, wait till it's Never mind. Never mind. Oh.
And then my brother.
Loves. I'm Bonnie Q. All social media platforms, you can get me on TikTok or on Instagram.
I love you guys so much. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow morning when we are going back to Jersey. I don't want to go back to Jersey.
We don't want to go back to Jersey. We don't want to go back to Jersey.
No, we really don't, Shame. But we have to, guys. We have to. Back to reality.
Anyway, Swas. I don't have mine because I don't have mine with me.
Love you guys so much. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I didn't see him. I can't see me. Hey.
Guys, no, it's time to wake up now.
We're not going to. We have to log in. Come.
Please, no, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Yo, I want cold water.
Okay, son.
Huh?
Oh, come on, someone. Food. If you put it to prep, but you coop it.
And can we touch it on the leopard print?
Oh, you put me.
Can we touch the
I move out the wig. Okay, the pulling.
and just give me phone. And just touch it on.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that they're both. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. And if you go and shadow. And if you go and shadow. And if you go and shadow. And if you go and shadow.
Already, guys. Hi, guys. I come back. Anyways, I just want to close off a video, yeah, because when I was editing, I saw that I didn't close it off. So I just want to close it off now. Today is Thursday, and we came back on Tuesday from the farm. So today's Thursday and I have errands to run. I have to go do adult things. I have to be, yay guys, yay, kunzima. So before I close off a video, guys, I want to do a quick unboxing. I already unboxed the box. I ordered from Takealot. And you guys remember when I told you that I finished my detoxing tea is finished and my green tea is finished, so I need to stock up. So I did that, but I also added like other stuff. So I just want to show you guys. I got this women's pack. It's a multivitamin women's pack. You know, it is for like health, including energy, immunity, hair, skin, and nails. You know, so I get my energy and yabonazi. They are different inside. One is for energy, to boost your energy. One is for your skin, your hair. One is for what is this one for? For mood, for vitality, mood, digestion, and immunity. Like, you know, things like that. So I want to start taking my vitamins. I want to be a you know, cute girl, man. Like, I want to start taking my health seriously this year. And then also I got these pills again. This is my second time buying them, guys. This is my second time. Last year when I was serious, like, because last year I used to be serious, guys. I used to go to the gym, you know, all of that, and then I stopped. Then I stopped going to the gym and I was using these pills. And guys, these pills work, guys. Because I was just, you know, going through my videos when I was still going to the gym, and I'm like, Miguel, like, guys, it's just I'm like literally like it's just that now my pants are big, so I'm but again, this year we are taking I'm gonna start taking my weight loss journey seriously this year, guys, like for real. So I got those pills for, like, it's a flat tummy toner, and then I got this 2 teas. One is for women's health, for PMS, period pain, stomach cramps, and then this one is a slimming tea. Yeah, Bambi appetite tea. It's like an overall wellness tea, yeah, and then also for weight loss. So I got 2 of those tea, guys. I love Stella for better health. I love you, my babe. Love you. So I got these ones, and then I got myself some skincare, guys. Anamali, guys. So I want to try this out. Okay, some of you guys know that in the 7th, I think in one of my videos I showed you guys like me doing my maintenance, guys. My voice is going. So I got this toner. It's an African extract rooibos refreshing toner, you get. And then I got a face wash and a face moisturizer. So yeah, I started using them today because I got my order today, so I used them. And then after applying my cream, I got a sunscreen, and that's it. And I can see a rush, guys. My wig, move. It is moving. You guys can see it is moving. It's palm piece, Anna. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. And yo, man, guys, thank you so much if you watched this video till the end. Thank you so much, Tana, sweetie love. Yeah, you can't tell it, guys, but I have to go be busy and run my errands and be that girl, you get, and be that girl. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that notification button so that you don't miss out. I just want to share I'm doing the upper guys. Please share this guys. Please share my videos. Please share my videos with your people so that now they can come and join this family. We have to start growing this family, guys. You have to be serious. So I'm also going to be serious. I'm also going to be consistent, guys. I promise. So please, man, guys, please do the right thing. Please do the right thing. Do the right thing and share and subscribe. Like, tell them to subscribe. Yeah, tell them to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.